Hello and welcome to Rwanda. This beautiful country, nestled in the heart of East Africa, is a gem waiting to be discovered. Known for its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage, Rwanda offers an experience like no other. This small country in East Africa is known as the Land of 1,000 Hills. Its undulating terrain, covered in lush greenery, creates a mesmerizing view that stretches as far as the eye can see. Each hill tells a story. Each valley holds a secret, and every corner of this land is filled with wonder. Rwanda has stunning landscapes, amazing wildlife, and vibrant culture. From the majestic mountain gorillas that roam its forests to the traditional dances that echo its rich history, Rwanda is a land of contrasts and beauty. The landscapes here are not just a feast for the eyes, but a testament to the country's natural wealth and biodiversity. Come with me as we explore the beauty of Rwanda together. We'll walk through its serene countryside, take guided tours in its national parks, and immerse ourselves in the scenic beauty that makes Rwanda so unique. Every step we take will bring us closer to understanding the soul of this incredible nation. Rwanda's beauty is more than just its scenery. It's in the tranquil waters of Lake Kivu, the golden hues of the sunset over the hills, and the diverse landscapes that change with every turn. It's a place where nature and humanity coexist in perfect harmony, creating a symphony of sights and sounds that captivate the heart. It's the people, the history, and the spirit of resilience that make it special. The smiles of Rwandan children, the warmth of traditional villages, and the vibrant community gatherings all tell a story of a nation that has risen from its past with grace and strength. The spirit of Rwanda is one of hope, unity, and unwavering resilience. We'll journey through its national parks, encounter incredible animals, and learn about Rwanda's past and present. From the savannas of Akagera National Park to the misty mountains of Volcanoes National Park, we'll witness the incredible biodiversity that makes Rwanda a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. And in the bustling city of Kigali, we'll explore the vibrant urban life that pulses with energy and innovation. This is just a glimpse into the wonders that await you in Rwanda. The diverse ecosystems, the rich cultural heritage, and the iconic landmarks all come together to create a tapestry of experiences that are both unique and unforgettable. Rwanda is a land of discovery, where every moment is an opportunity to learn, grow, and be inspired. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed by the beauty of this extraordinary country. Let's begin our adventure. As we embark on this journey, let your heart and mind be open to the wonders of Rwanda. Whether it's the serene landscapes, the vibrant culture, or the inspiring stories of its people, there's something here for everyone. Welcome to Rwanda, a land of 1,000 hills and endless possibilities. Our first stop is Volcanoes National Park, a truly awe-inspiring place. Nestled in the heart of Rwanda, this park is a sanctuary for some of the world's most endangered species and a haven for nature enthusiasts. The park spans over 160 square kilometers and is part of the larger Virunga Conservation Area, which includes neighboring parks in Uganda and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Here, you can find the magnificent mountain gorillas in their natural habitat. These gentle giants are one of the main attractions of the park, drawing visitors from all over the globe. Observing them in the wild offers a rare glimpse into their daily lives and behaviors. Trekking through the rainforest to see these gentle giants is an unforgettable experience. The journey through the dense jungle is both challenging and rewarding as you navigate through thick vegetation and steep slopes. Along the way, you'll be surrounded by the sounds of the forest, from the calls of exotic birds to the rustling of leaves underfoot. You'll be amazed by their intelligence and social interactions. Watching a family of gorillas communicate, play, and care for each other is a humbling experience that highlights the deep bonds they share. Each gorilla has its own unique personality, and their interactions are a testament to their complex social structures. The park is also home to golden monkeys, another primate species found only in this region. These playful and agile creatures are a delight to watch as they leap from tree to tree. Their vibrant golden fur and expressive faces make them a favorite among visitors. The volcanoes themselves are a sight to behold. Towering above the landscape, these ancient giants have shaped the region's geography and ecology. The park is named after the chain of dormant volcanoes that dominate its skyline, including Mount Karisimbi, the highest peak in Rwanda. Covered in lush rainforest, they rise majestically from the earth. The volcanic slopes are blanketed in dense vegetation, creating a rich and diverse ecosystem. The rainforest is teeming with life, from colorful butterflies to rare orchids, making it a paradise for botanists and wildlife enthusiasts alike. Volcanoes National Park is a testament to Rwanda's commitment to conservation. The park's success in protecting its unique wildlife and habitats is a result of dedicated efforts by the government, local communities, and international organizations. Conservation programs focus on habitat restoration, anti-poaching measures, and community education, ensuring that future generations can continue to enjoy this natural wonder. Next, we venture into Nyungwe Forest National Park, one of the oldest rainforests in Africa. This vast expanse of green is a haven for biodiversity. Here, you can trek through the dense forest and encounter chimpanzees swinging through the trees. Keep an eye out for the colorful birds and playful monkeys that call this forest home. The canopy walkway offers breathtaking views of the forest from above. Nyungwe is a magical place where you can immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of nature. Our journey takes us to the shores of Lake Kivu, a mesmerizing body of water nestled between Rwanda and the Democratic Republic of Congo. This lake is not just a geographical feature, it is a lifeline for the communities that surround it. Lake Kivu is one of the African Great Lakes, a series of lakes that are among the largest and deepest in the world. These lakes are a crucial part of the East African Rift Valley, a region known for its geological activity and stunning landscapes. This vast lake is surrounded by rolling hills and stunning scenery. The lush greenery and the undulating terrain create a picturesque backdrop that is both tranquil and awe-inspiring. The hills are often shrouded in mist, adding a mystical quality to the landscape. Take a boat trip on the lake and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. As you glide over the calm waters, you'll have the chance to see the lake from a different perspective. The gentle rocking of the boat and the sound of the water lapping against the sides create a soothing experience. The lake is dotted with islands, each offering its own unique experience. Some islands are home to small fishing communities, while others are uninhabited and provide a sanctuary for wildlife. Exploring these islands can feel like stepping into a different world. Each island has its own unique charm. Some are known for their historical significance, while others are celebrated for their natural beauty. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or nature, there's an island in Lake Kivu that will captivate you. You can also relax on the sandy beaches that line the shores of Lake Kivu. These beaches are perfect for sunbathing, picnicking, or simply enjoying the view. The soft sand and the gentle waves make it an ideal spot for a leisurely day by the water. Or go for a swim in the clear waters. The lake's clean, refreshing water is perfect for a dip, especially on a hot day. Swimming in Lake Kivu is a delightful way to cool off and enjoy the natural beauty of the area. Lake Kivu is a place to unwind, soak in the beauty, and create lasting memories. Whether you're here for a day or a week, the serene environment and the stunning scenery will leave a lasting impression. The lake is not only beautiful, but it also has a rich history and cultural significance. It has been a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and musicians for generations. The beauty of Lake Kivu has been captured in countless works of art and literature, but it also plays a vital role in the lives of the people who live around it. The lake provides water for drinking, fishing, and agriculture. It is a source of livelihood for many and a central part of the local culture and traditions. The communities around Lake Kivu have a deep connection to the lake, and it is an integral part of their daily lives. Section 5, Akagera National Park. For a true safari experience, we head to Akagera National Park, Rwanda's only savanna park. Here you can witness the incredible diversity of African wildlife. Go on a game drive and spot elephants, giraffes, zebras, and more. The park is also home to lions, leopards, and other predators. The landscape of Akagera is as diverse as its wildlife, with rolling plains, acacia woodlands, and vast lakes. Akagera is a testament to Rwanda's successful conservation efforts, bringing back wildlife to the country after the genocide. Section 6. The Kigali Genocide Memorial. We take a moment to reflect at the Kigali Genocide Memorial, a place of remembrance and learning. This memorial honors the victims of the 1994 Rwandan genocide. It is a powerful reminder of the importance of peace and reconciliation. The memorial also serves as a center for education, promoting understanding and tolerance. Visiting the Kigali Genocide Memorial is a deeply moving experience, reminding us of the resilience of the human spirit. Section 7. The culture of Rwanda. Beyond its natural wonders, Rwanda has a rich culture waiting to be discovered. The Rwandan people are known for their warmth and hospitality. Experience the vibrant music and dance traditions of Rwanda. Visit local markets and browse the colorful handicrafts. Learn about the traditional customs and beliefs that shape Rwandan society. Immerse yourself in the culture of Rwanda and gain a deeper appreciation for this remarkable country. Section 8. Exploring beyond the scenery. As we've seen, Rwanda is a country of breathtaking landscapes and incredible wildlife. But it's also a country with a rich history, vibrant culture, and a bright future. From its bustling cities to its tranquil countryside, Rwanda offers something for everyone. Explore the bustling markets, sample the local cuisine, and learn about the country's journey from its past to its present. Rwanda is a country that will stay with you long after you've left. Section 9. Your journey awaits. Thank you for joining me on this visual journey through Rwanda. I hope it has inspired you to experience the beauty of this incredible country for yourself. Now I want to hear from you. Which region of the world would you like to explore next? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue our adventure together. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more incredible journeys around the world. Until next time, keep exploring